I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find the apps icon, then let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to choose lock screen and security. Here you've got access to Fingerprint Manager, let's open it. Here you've got the tutorial that you can read, let's tap next. Before you add the fingerprint you need to use some backup screen lock method, so you can use pattern, pin or password. In my case let me use pattern, so let me draw my unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. Alright, now it's time to choose the form of notifications. So you can select show all notification content. You may hide some sensitive notification content or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me use the first option, let's tap done and let's tap next. So here let's find the sensor. The sensor is located right here at the back of the device, and let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times to save the whole fingerprint. That's it, fingerprint is added. So now you can add another one by tapping the following options right here, or you can simply choose done. That's it. Now if you would like to lock your device, let's press power key, and to unlock your phone you can use your pattern, or you may do the same thing by using your sensor and your fingerprint. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.